We made it to Galveston. We just parked the car, and I think our first mission is to get some coffee. It's about noon, and we have lunch reservations at 2:30 with Caleb's mom for Mother's Day and for my Mother's Day. So we just got to the Strand, which is basically a bunch of shopping and restaurants and things like that. So I'll take you along with us. On the store that Caleb's mom works at. It's called Del Sol / Carrie Loha. We're gonna quickly say hi, and she's coming to lunch with us obviously, but we're gonna quickly say hi. Surprise her real quick. Oh my gosh. Here, come.
Also, be very soft. Show us.
Oh, there we go.
Very soft is when we rub our face.
Oh.
Yeah, they're very soft.
So many tricks.
Oh, there we go. Bamboo is very soft. It's just so freaking soft.
I love it so much.
So somebody from Dallas called me and told me that he was on Instagram.
Well, I'm doing this for my YouTube channel, so I'll put him on there. Yeah, it's very nice.
It should be Mother and Daughter Day, or Mother and Kid Day, because you wouldn't be a mom.
Oh, well, let's petition to change it. How about that? I think every day is Kids Day. you getting a coffee?
I am getting a coffee.
Do I want to? You know what? I think I'm gonna get a matcha today. I haven't had one of those in a long time. Yeah. What is your favorite thing about me being your mom?
Because you're a good mom.
Aw, that's a good answer. Short and simple. I love being your mom because you're fun and you're half of me and you're half of Dad, who is the person that I decided to marry, which is pretty cool if you think about it. So you're a creation of us. And why wouldn't I love that? Yeah! Oh, we got a race going on. Who's gonna win? I'm having so much fun. Just being with the family. Got some awesome pairs of jeans. Excited to go eat lunch. Be careful of all the crabs and the snakes that live in the cracks.
You are a snake.
Slithery snakes. Crab hunting. Oh no! Oh my gosh, look at them. Look, he's like, get away from me. Oh! They're fighting with each other. That was super fun. Those guys were fishing for crabs with raw chicken and they caught a lot of them. I tried to get the last one that they got because it was the biggest one and it escaped the bucket and it was doing the crab walk sideways. It was hilarious. I wish I would have caught it. But anyways, we're going to pick up Caleb's mom now from work and we're gonna go to lunch. Cheers. Cheers, Chloe.
Cheers, ladies.
This was such a good restaurant, such a good experience. Now we're going to the candy store. We've earned it. Chloe's my assistant vlogger today.
Oh, she's gonna be your videographer?
Yes, I've hired her.
Serious money in that.
I've hired help. Okay, what were you saying? It's Mother's Day. Had 2 margaritas because it's Mother's Day. Oh, there's a lot of people here now. Coke bottles.
Yeah.
If you're an 80s child, you know. You know. You know. There's a cricket. OMG. They're not even chocolate covered. They're just salt and vinegar. I'm going down this way. Let's follow Maga. She knows the place. Oh my gosh, rock candy. Yes. We hit the jackpot.
This is like crazy heaven for people that love candy.
The rock candy. This is all I ate when I was little.
Candy cigarettes and candy cigars
And the wax lips.
and wax lips.
Ew. So
That stuff is old.
bad.
I got milk chocolate, which is what this covered almond, and then I also have dark chocolate covered almonds. We'll try the milk.
Hey, what's up, man? Can I be on your show?
Yes.
Hi, my name is Vaughn Wan.
This guy.
I'm an NCAA All-American gospel charting Billboard artist. And this my friend Caleb.
This is him.
We go back, throwback, man. What's going on? What are you doing in Galveston?
Man, hanging out with my mom on Mother's Day.
Yeah, okay.
My wife here and our daughter Chloe.
What are y'all filming? You got a YouTube page?
She does. She's just being fun.
What's the YouTube top? Tell me about the page.
That baby? He's got all the followers on the planet. So yeah.
Not a lot, but enough.
No, he's got money.
I just started a couple months ago, so I'm new.
We're seeing where the Lord's gonna take it,
What's
man.
the show about? What's the page about?
So
That you
far,
like?
yeah.
Okay. What do you do?
I'm
Mom life?
I'm just living life. I'm just vlogging whatever I do every day.
I can dig it. Just had church today. My wife preached. Space City Church. Check us out online.
We will.
And yeah, but good seeing you, bro.
You too, Mom.
God bless you. Indeed.
Oh, Chloe, the gumball machine. Did you want to get the gumball? I got quarters just for Chloe. How much does it cost?
I got green.
You got green?
You're gonna have to try again.
I want a pink one.
Okay, so we just got done with the chaos of the candy store, which was totally worth it. Now we're just gonna kind of walk off our dinner or our lunch and see what we get up to. Follow along. Come on. Do you want to go to the beef jerky outlet? Should we go to a holistic solution? Weird can be fun. Weird is fun sometimes. I'm weird, I'm fun. All right, guys, thank you for spending Mother's Day with me and my family. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I hope that everybody had a great day whenever you're watching this, and follow me, subscribe, do all those good things, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.